In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate multiple scenes OpenArt. We'll walk through a simple workflow in OpenArt that uses an image for style and a reference video for motion, so you can produce a cohesive, multi-scene result with just a few clicks. Start by heading to the OpenArt website and opening the suite. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open the media section. This is your personal library. Everything you've uploaded or generated lives here. Find the image you want to use as your visual anchor and click it to open. Picking a strong reference image here helps lock in the style, character look, or art direction you want to carry through your scenes. With the image open, choose Modify Video. This tool applies your selected image as a guiding style while transforming motion from a video source, which is exactly what we need for multiple scenes that feel consistent. Next, open Reference Video. This is where you connect the motion driver that shapes pacing, cuts, and transitions. Click Upload Media and select a video from your device. Short, well-lit clips in common formats tend to work best. Aim for clear subject movement and distinct scene changes. Even a single clip with varied shots can produce a multi-scene output. After selecting, let the upload finish before moving on. Processing indicators are your friend here. Once uploaded, make sure video is selected as the source. This confirms you're feeding OpenArt moving footage rather than a still. If you see multiple assets, double-check you've highlighted the correct clip. Now, craft your prompt. Think of it as your creative direction. Describe the style you want from the image. Cinematic, watercolor, comic, realistic, plus the mood, lighting, and any camera vibes like slow dolly, handheld, or sweeping aerial. If your video includes several moments or locations, nudge the system with phrasing like cohesive multi-scene montage, dynamic transitions, or consistent character across shots. Keep it clear and concise. Strong nouns and adjectives go a long way. When your prompt feels solid, click Generate. OpenArt will cue the job, apply your image's look to the reference video's motion, and render the result into multiple stylized scenes. Processing time varies with length and complexity, so let it run. When it's done, preview the output from start to finish. If something feels off, maybe the style is too strong or not strong enough, tweak your prompt wording and generate again until it matches your vision. That's it. You've used an image for style, a video for motion, and a clear prompt to generate multiple scenes in OpenArt quickly and consistently.